pink flamingos and my blue marlies. So I am in the front of the massage parlor. This is what I'm doing today, getting a massage. So you'll just stay tuned. I don't think I'll be able to record the massage, the actual massage, because I'm going to be in the table laying down. Why is this? Look at this picture is moving. Oh my god, it is. Wow. So, oh, that's not a picture. That's an actual person moving. Anyway, he like give it like a moving picture. You know those scary looking pictures. Anyhow, so I was having some neck pains and stuff like that. And ready to do a massage. So I'm laying down, waiting. There's a pillow I'm gonna put my face on. Oh my god, this is the first one. My hair hanging out. Wow. It's done, oh my god. Let me get dressed. I'm into my blue Marley, so we enjoy again, get some food. Last time we lost the footage because it's on my pop down phone. Don't worry, replacing the phone. So we're waiting online. In line, we got a family size. We got a family size. We went next to family to chicken, spicy of course, fries, rice, mashed potatoes. Then we get about 2 pineapple pinches. So they look hungry. Can't wait to eat. Anyhow, we'll stay tuned on this strategy. Me pineapple pinches.
Proceed to the highlighted route.
I give it a 10. With your hand, what happened? Kelly, we don't. Mommy in this big truck, man. Anyway, y'all stay tuned with me, eat our food, we read it. We were gonna get some plastic plates and stuff. So we forget to get plates and forks and stuff. So we just eating some fries, Jollibee fries. With no ketchup. Fries, let's go.
Get out of the way.
It's so crowded. Oh my god. Cars everywhere. If you can't drive, don't try it. Don't even try to drive over here. Got some plates. So yeah, eating mashed potato, chicken. I already done eat the chicken while I was getting some drinks at the gas station. I get me straight eating, driving. Remember, no drinking and driving, no smoking and driving. Eating and driving. What you think about that? Comment down below. Maybe eating a chicken. You didn't kill the fries, whatever. It tastes better than last time, right? It does. Yeah, so it does. So we're killing it. You get a big bag right here. I know they can kill some of these chicken. You get a big piece and you just munching on some smaller piece. Got the mashed potato. So anyhow, we can eat this, then we can rate it for you all, whatever. The last video would have been better where we were sitting down, you know, enjoying it. We had our big plates of food. We had the big plates, we put all the different food in it, whatever. You got money to eat now, mashed potato and chicken.
Okay, all Joe.
There you go. I need to do my electrolysis, but anyhow, y'all stay tuned. We headed to the beach. They must take a swim in the water for 5 seconds and then we finish. Because, homeboy, I gotta work. So stay tuned, stay tuned. Spicy chicken. See, they got a label with the flag and it's actual toothpick. How it taste? It tastes better than last time to you?
Freeway entrance.
Yeah, it does taste better. Last time we could barely eat the chicken. See the little churn on the water playing. Oh, this little churn. Y'all see the ducks? Y'all see the ducks? That's your family. See your family going? Go follow them. What a little cute ducky. So we finally made it to the beach. And they are walking to the water. I'm gonna set up right there and lay down for 30 minutes, 20 minutes. Anyhow, we're gonna enjoy the rest of this day. Thank you all for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, share with your friends and your family.
Better. You better. Thank you very much.
Any of my implementing things on my blue Marlies. You all stay tuned. Don't skip about celebrating. Well, over here it's very slow on the side, so that's good. Anyway, people in the water, y'all go ahead.